There has never been a better time to start filming yourself speaking to camera so that you can continue communicating with your audience and keeping them updated. Viewers are not expecting perfection at the moment. They'll just be happy to hear from you. So here are 10 steps that will help you film with your phone in a more professional way. Step 1. Create a script. In video, you'll only fit around 130 words into a minute, so it's important to be deliberate about what you're trying to say. So sit down and write out a few bullet points, or if you prefer, write out a full script and learn it off, whatever's easier for you. Step 2. Record excellent sound. Studies have proven that sound quality is actually more important to the viewer than video quality. So find a quiet room, turn off anything that makes noise like computers, fridges, any other machines, and close the windows and doors. If you have some budget, then I would suggest investing in a lavalier mic. The Rode SmartLav costs around €50 through Amazon, but if you don't have access to something like that, just make sure the room you're filming in is quiet. Step 3. Turn your phone. When you're filming with your phone, make sure to turn it to its side so that it's in landscape mode. I shoot most of my videos in landscape mode because I find that it's more professional and I can use it across more platforms. Now, if you're planning to just make stories for Facebook or Instagram, then portrait mode will work fine too. Step 4. Light yourself up. Natural light is your best friend, so try to get the light shining onto your face from a window. If you can't shoot near a window or you have to shoot in the evening, then try to use household lamps to light yourself up, as the viewer is drawn to the brightest part of the frame. Step 5. Stabilize your phone. Put your phone on a shelf, or even better, a windowsill. And if you don't have a tripod at home, then it's really easy to make a DIY tripod using a reusable cup. Just use a scissors and snip out 2 slits on opposite sides of the cup so that you can slot your phone in. Step 6. Get the position right. Try and make sure that the camera is at eye level, because if you're looking up, you can seem subservient, and if you're looking down, you can seem domineering. Also, try to make sure that your camera is at least arm's length away so you're not too in your viewer's face. And finally, try to correct your headroom. So this is where there's just a little bit of space between the top of your head and the top of the frame. Not too much, not too little. Step 7. Clean your lens. It's amazing the difference that a clean lens can make. So try and find a lens cloth, give it a rub, and you'll notice the difference. Step 8. Look the part. Try and wear clothes that you'd wear if you were meeting your audience in person, and try to avoid stripes and patterns, as this can be quite distracting. Wear powder because it will take the shine off your face and you will be much happier that you did. Step 9. Look into the lens. When we're filming in selfie mode, it can be easy to get distracted by our own video. You can see the difference here of when I'm looking at my video and now when I'm looking into the lens. So try to pretend that there's actually someone behind the lens that you already know and have a relationship with, that you're talking to, and this will translate to the viewer and help them to feel more connected to you. Step 10. Keep practicing. The only way to get better at filming and presenting is by practicing. So set yourself a goal to film yourself every day. And you don't have to share and upload it. You can instead show it to your friends and family and get feedback from them, as they'll notice things that you can't see or hear. If you want to start practicing some basic camera and mobile editing skills, then you can sign up for free to the 10-day video challenge at thevidacademy.com.